Welcome back. Now, Microsoft Designer will help you to build a brand kit. And you're going to see this element here in this area once you have a design open. And if you click on Brand Kit, that's going to open up a tab on the left side. You're going to see an element here if you've not yet created a brand kit. You can use AI suggestions in order to create a brand kit. We're going to click Get Started. What we're then going to do is we're going to create a specific brand name. Once you've written in the information, you can then click Generate. And then Microsoft Designer will attempt to generate a brand kit for you to use inside of Microsoft Designer. And the process does take some time to generate. One thing you're going to want to be aware of are the terms of use. And you'll notice here you're agreeing to use the things that you're creating inside of Microsoft Designer in terms of the brand kit for non-business use only. So that's going to be one important element that you want to be aware of when you're going to create a brand kit for use inside of Microsoft Designer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.